are pleasantness and its facts, peace. I light the candle of wisdom.
I light the candle of friendship from the spirit of sororities. The light of friendship brings happiness to all upon who feel its warm glow. It is the lamp in the darkness of sorrow, a bright sun in the noonday of joy. It is the sororities' delight and pride. I light the candle of friendship.
I light the candle of service from the spirit of sororities. Service is a bright star that leads those who serve without thought of reward, except perhaps the joy of having brought a smile to a once tearful face. The satisfaction of having done one's bit towards uplifting the lives of women, both young and old. Service in sororities is enabling each other to live our dreams through the power of collective action. I light the candle of service.
Our name sororities is called word meaning best for women. Sororities International unites leading professional, executive, and business women throughout the world in volunteer efforts to enable women and girls to live their dreams, to take control of their lives, and live according to their own values. Our aims are to maintain high ethical standards in business and professional life. Second, to promote human rights of all people, and in particular, to advance the social and economic empowerment of women. Third, to develop a spirit of friendship and unity among sororities across clubs, regions, and federations. Fourth, to quicken the spirit of volunteerism, compassion, and human understanding as an organization of women helping other women. And lastly, to contribute to international goodwill and universal friendship.
We ask you, the members, to be inducted to light your own candles to signify your acceptance of these ideals as you join our ranks.
Saan ko na sabi, ano, bangko pa. Saka pa siya. Video. Dito na sa SM.
Ano naman siya, nagtrabaho naman siya. Paano? Ang piling ka. Di ba, ako isip-isip.
Hindi pa rin siya.
Hindi na lang.
Push na lang.
We now ask our governor to administer the oath of membership. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. Having been accepted as a member of the Soroctonese International of Tarlac Gens, do hereby solemnly swear that I will support and uphold the constitutions and bylaws of the club, Soroctonese International of the Americas, Philippines Region A Foundation Incorporated, Soroctonese International of the Americas, and Soroctonese International. That I will faithfully discharge the duties and obligations of membership. That I will subordinate my personal ambitions and interests to the same. And that I will impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation and purpose of evasion. So help me God. Thank you, Governor. We may now extinguish your candles. Congratulations! And welcome to Soroctonese. You may now count yourself as one of the many women at their best who aim to help other women to be at their best. While membership in Soroctonese is an honor and privilege, it is also a responsibility. The gift of membership includes attendance in club meetings and active involvement in service projects. We look forward to helping you explore this gift. As you take part in the club, the region, and federation activities that advances our mission and our objectives. Congratulations! Let's give them a round of applause, and may we invite the sponsors to be the new members team or charter members team.